and Austria. Of course, Germany, Austria, and also the same United Kingdom. Okay. Next, you can see the Russia. So this is total Europe map. So many countries are there. The UK, next to Denmark, Sweden, Norway, okay, Germany, Austria, Hungary, Switzerland, France, Spain, Portugal, okay, Italy, next to Montenegro, Siberia, next Romania, so Bulgaria. So this is a modern map. That means at the time of after World War One. Okay, this is a map of this Europe. So here, who was there at the time of this war means? So just we see here, the photo. Yes, we have seen this one. That is his name is Nicholas II. Caesar Nicholas II in the White Hall of Winter Palace. So same like as in our country. So we have this President Bhavan is there, or Rashtrapati Bhavan was there. That is called as the President Palace. Same like that in the Russia also, in the Moscow we can see this Winter Palace. So Nicholas II was there. So this is one of the picture drawn or painted by this person. That is Ernest Lipgott. Okay, he is the Nicholas II. Same like as in the France. So if you see here the France, in the France who is there means Louis XVI was there. Okay, Louis XVI. Against this Louis XVI, French Revolution was started. Same like that in the Russia also. Against these rulers, that is Tsar Nicholas II, Russian Revolution was started. Okay. Next, finally, who was going to get the freedom for this Russia? Means just we are going to see now this. See here. Yes. So economy and society. Unemployed peasants in the pre-war St. Petersburg. See here. This is the position of this Russia. Why this Russian Revolution was started means, so because the companies were there, factories are there. When the Industrial Revolution was started in the world, so many factories are established in Russia. Okay. So when this was there, I said that in the London city, lot of slum areas are increased. When slum areas are increased, then the poor, the poverty was also increased. So even after that, so here when the Russian Revolution was started, so why this, who has started this Russian Revolution means, so workers, so factory workers and also craft persons are there. For these workers, his name is just Lenin. Okay. So his name is just Lenin. Okay. Yes, Lenin was there. So Lenin, he became the leader for the workers, and he formed the political party. Its name is the Bolshevik Party. Okay, Bolshevik. So Bolsh means nothing but just workers. Okay, so Bolshevik Party was formed. Its intention is to overthrow the kings, that is the king's rule in the Russia, that is Caesars. Okay, and one more important thing is in the Russia also, there are some social peoples are there. They are called as socialist people. So example I said in the beginning only, the Karl Marx was there. Karl Marx. So Karl Marx, how these peoples have started this freedom struggle, that is the revolution means, Karl Marx was there. So Karl Marx has wrote 2 books. So its name is just Das Kapital. Okay, Das Kapital or Country's Capital. And also he also written one more book. Its name is just Socialism. Okay, Socialism and Das Kapital. These are the books. So by reading these books, many people are inspired. Okay, inspired and said that, so all the properties, it means whatever the country's properties are there, whatever the country's factories are there, they should be owned by workers, because workers are the main means for the workers. So like that, the workers have started the movement. Then immediately when the movement was started, so Russia, that means some of the factories they have, that means some of the workers, so they are not going to work in the factories. They are going for strikes. So immediately that was increased this unemployment. Okay, of course the peasants also. So this is the Saint Petersburg. You can see this picture. So many survived by eating at charitable kitchens and living in the poor houses. So charitable houses means just like old age homes, orphanage homes like that. So many people are survived like that because lack of food. So factories also closed because of this revolution. When the revolution was started, many people are going for the movement. So this was great uncertainty in Russia. Okay, so their intention is to declare Russia as an independent country from Tsar rulers. Why means because all the factories and companies are owned by these Tsar rulers. Okay, and at the time the important places in Russia is first one is Moscow, of course. So we know the places of America very well, like that is like Chicago State, okay, Illinois, Washington D.C., next California, okay, Alaska, next next we can see this Illinois, Indiana, Florida. So all these are the names from this that is America, but we don't know the places present in the Russia. So Russia, some of the places, important places are, first one is the Moscow, next one is Vladivostok. Okay, its name is just Vladivostok. So Vladivostok, very important city. Next other one is Saint Petersburg, very important. Saint Petersburg. So we can see here Saint Petersburg. Okay. Next, so Stalingrad also is there. Stalingrad. So these are the city names, important city names: Stalingrad, Saint Petersburg, Moscow, Vladivostok. Okay, like that. Even this Siberia. Siberia also is there. Siberia is one of the region in Russia. So in these places, important places, the revolution was started. All peoples they have boycotted their works from the factory, and lot of income was income. That means lot of income was became into loss for the rulers. Okay, so okay, next. So for today, just we will stop up to here, because if we are going on telling all at the time means we can't understand that. Okay, so now, so just